Guys, so there's this girl and she has so many fidgets and I want to offer for them, but all I have are these pop tubes and this stress ball. Try to trick her into giving me all of her fidgets. Most of them. Hi, can I offer for some of your fidgets?
Sure, why not? What do you want to offer for?
She just asked what I want to offer for, so let's see. Can I see what's inside of your stress ball bin?
Sure. Here you go, here's all my stress balls. Which one would you like to offer for?
She has quite a few stress balls in there. I wonder what's in her poppet bin. Hey, can I offer for some of your poppets? Like, all your animal poppets and your cupcake poppet.
You want to offer for all my animal poppets? Okay. I don't think she wants the mini poppets. Okay, here you go.
Okay, so I'm gonna trade this to someone later. But, okay, I'll trade you these 2 pop tubes. You might be wondering why I'm just trading 2 pop tubes. It's because these are magical pop tubes, and whenever you stretch them, they will give you your dream fidget, yeah.
Okay, I accept.
Well, you're gonna have to add a little bit more stuff.
Okay, I'll trade you all of this. And, brain stress ball. And, this stuff. Also these over here too. How about now, do you accept?
Oh, she is way overpaying for these regular pop tubes. Okay, I accept. Thanks. Also, no trade backs.
Okay. If these pop tubes work. She basically said that all I have to do is stretch them and I would get my dream fidget. So my dream fidget is a jumbo poppet. 3, 2, 1. Wait. I didn't get a jumbo poppet. Let's try the other one. These do not work, and I did not get my jumbo poppet, and she scammed me. I miss all my fidgets.
She has figured out that the pop tubes don't work. I have to go. I'm actually not going to trade this. I'm going to trade this unicorn monkey noodle. Okay, I'm going to trade this to somebody. Oh, she has a lot of poppets. Let's trade her. Hey, can I offer for some of your poppets?
Sure. What's your offer?
Can I offer for your Among Us poppet and your game board poppet?
As long as your offer is good. Here you go.
I'll trade you this unicorn monkey noodle.
Wait, what? You're gonna have to add. I'm way overpaying.
No, I should not have to add because this is really rare. And then when you stretch it, it gives you your dream fidget. Yeah, gives you your dream fidget.
Oh, it gives me my dream fidget? Okay, I accept.
You're gonna have to add, because this gives you your dream fidget, and those are just 2 poppets. So, please add.
Okay, I'll add these puzzle pieces. And here. This. And these. And these. Do you accept now?
She's way overpaying. Look at all the stuff she's adding. I accept. Thanks. Oh, I almost forgot. No trade backs.
Okay. I'm excited to get my dream fidget. Okay, let's stretch it and get my dream fidget. My dream fidget is a donut dimple. Oops. I think I got my dream fidget. Wait, this isn't my dream fidget. This is a broken acupressure ring. I didn't want that. I wanted a donut dimple. This was a scam. At least I have a few pockets left.
Guess she figured out that the monkey noodle doesn't give you your dream fidget. At least I have a whole bunch of fidgets now. And it gave her this broken acupressure ring. Anyways, I'm happy with all my fidgets. So yeah, bye.